So my name is Eva Deelman. I'm a research professor in computer science here at USC. I'm also a research director at the USC Information Science Institute. And I'd like to welcome you all here to this first NSF Access Regional AI workshop in Southern California. Thank you so much for coming. This workshop is organized by the University of Southern California, but it is funded by NSF Access Project and the NAIRE pilot. We're also getting support from Viterbi, which is a School of Engineering at USC. We're here at the School of Advanced Computing, a new school within USC, and a very nice new building. So who is in the room? So we have researchers, educators, graduate students, and also resource providers. Our mission is to strengthen our regional network and look at AI practices that we can apply to our research and education, share ideas and experiences, and build a community in Southern California. You will hear more about Access and NAIRE. Both provide you free resources for your science, humanities, research, as well as education. Access provides you resources such as high-performance computing resources, high-throughput computing, cloud, storage, networking, and a lot of tools that you need for your day-to-day work. And NAIRE Pilot also adds to this ecosystem, providing AI-specific resources, some of them coming from industry partners, and also data sets that are so important for AI. So you'll hear more about how to get allocations on these systems, and again, this is free for you to use for your work. As I mentioned, this workshop is hosted by the USC Information Sciences Institute. We are in Marina del Rey, but since we have so many campuses that are kind of far from that location, we decided to hold this in a more central place here at USC main campus. We have the third regional workshop. We had the first kickoff in Denver back in April of last year. Then there was a regional workshop in Colorado and Kentucky, and now in Southern California. We have 117 participants that have registered for this workshop. They come from 30 distinct institutions. We have some foundation representation as well. And we represent 20 campuses in Southern California that are campuses that come from the University of California and Cal State Systems, as well as private universities. So thank you so much for coming here. And thank you also during the application process of providing information about what you use AI for today and what you're hoping to learn. And I hope that the program we developed for you will be of interest. So by the numbers, 60 to 65% of us are using AI for data analysis, modeling, and scientific discovery. A lot of us, 55%, are using LLMs, and I'm sure things like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. And 50% already have integrated their AI into teaching and workforce development. So clearly, we have opportunities to learn from each other and share our experiences. We also have a very interdisciplinary community, and I think that's what makes our work so interesting. We can work with colleagues from a variety of domains. We have about 30 to 35% representation from computer science, but also strong representation from engineering and biological and health sciences, as well as physical sciences, and also others. In terms of the agenda, so we're starting off this morning looking at AI on campus in terms of education, in terms of using it for digital humanities, and an introduction to AI availability to all. We then, after the break, we're going to hear from the resource providers, the projects that are hosting this workshop. So we have Shay Knuth, who's the PI on access support, talking about how to get access to this national resources. And we have also Meital Dahan and Joe Stubbs talking about the resource allocation process. We also have Frank Roitwein talking about another resource that is available for your work. So after talking about resource, we have lightning talks from our community and also examples of use of AI for research. Finally, we'll have a focus demo on the work that we're doing in my group. And Karen and Mats are going to be talking about the Pegasus workflow management system that helps you utilize the resources to their fullest. And I do hope that you stay also for the networking time afterwards, which includes a great poster session with a number of posters about a lot of different topics in AI, which I hope will be of interest to you. And so also it helps you avoid the traffic in LA, so I hope you hang out and then leave a little bit later. So we're talking here about how to use AI, and I have to say that I used AI to do this presentation, and I have to say it was much more fun than using the regular process of starting from a blank PowerPoint or using some old slides. So basically, I used the information that you provided in your sheets, in your answers to how you want to use AI or how you're using AI, which institution you're coming from, and which area of AI are you looking at, to synthesize the information. I used Gemini and also ChatGPT to help look at the website, give some of my own thoughts on this workshop, and then provide it all to NotebookLM, which I've come to love quite a bit recently because it can make explainable PowerPoints, videos, and others, and I use it for PowerPoint here. And then obviously you curate and prompt it the way you want, and as a result you have a slide deck. So this is just a very simple sharing, but I hope we share more about use of AI and how we approach the different problems. And again, welcome. And I'll invite, I don't know if we have our next speaker. Okay, so we're going to shift the program a little bit. So we'll have Nabil Azharani from the California State University, San Bernardino, who is an adjunct professor there, and he'll be opening up with a presentation on AI for all. Let's welcome Nabil. Welcome.